TurboAir's one-section reach-in refrigerator is a dependable refrigeration solution for restaurants, cafes, and other food service operations. The self-contained refrigeration system keeps all components together so they are easily accessible for maintenance. The condenser is located at the top of the unit to prevent debris from being sucked in from the floor and uses a self-cleaning device to remove harmful dust accumulation each day. This refrigerator is designed with magnetic door gaskets to prevent cold air leakage and a pressure relief device that eliminates vacuum pressure to ensure the door is easily opened. The door is also field reversible, allowing it to be right or left hinged to better fit your kitchen's layout. Employees are able to quickly identify products with the LED interior lighting and can monitor the cabinet's temperature with a digital display readout on the front of the unit. To order your TurboAir refrigerator or learn more, call our customer care team at 1-800-541-8683 or visit us online at KaTom.com today.